Hi everyone, welcome back to the Planet Pearl YouTube channel. My name is Pearlin. I live in Christchurch with my family. I'm married to Jacob. I have two adult boys and two adorable dogs. One is our 10-year-old Amber. She's a lab. And the other is right here with me, Casper. He's 15 months old and he needs a lot of training. He is at that crazy phase, so I'm constantly training him. And even this morning, after a little bit of training, he still has not settled down, but it's nice to go out and train him. And this morning he was doing so well, and then there came a man who was running with his dog, and he just waited for like 5 minutes before she wanted to jump and say hello to that person. But luckily I had him on the long leash, and so he couldn't run behind them and scare them and disturb them on their morning run. So yeah, I'm in my craft space. We had a little bit of a update here. I got a day bed from IKEA, and I'm in the process of rearranging my craft room. I'm constantly doing this, and I hope this would be now more organized than previous times. So yeah, it's a lot of work, but I'm doing it one step at a time. It has been a little bit of a knitting slump for me because the yarn that I got from Yarn Face is beautiful. It's beautiful yarn, but it's quite dark. It's darker than the other one, so I'm not able to find a way to incorporate that into how to mix them both and make it work into a full garment. So I'm a little bit down with that. So let me show you. I have worked quite a lot, and now the prospect of having to, so this is how far I've come, and I think this will be enough, but then I'm wondering what to do for the sleeves. The sleeves might look really, maybe I could do a short sleeve. I'm not really sure. If you have any ideas, because this is how far I have worked, but then the new color that I have got is quite dark, and if it goes on the sleeve, it's going to look like patchwork, don't you think? But then I don't want to take all of this apart and make another one. So at one point I was thinking that I will rip it all up and then start with this and then go from there. But then now I'm not really sure what to do. So if you have any ideas, I would love to know. So that's the saga of my knitting the ranunculus. So when I started the year, my crafting intentions were to create a handmade garment. But then and I started out very enthusiastically, but what happened was I could not manage to finish a garment that was satisfactory to me and that I would keep wearing continuously. So I'm a little bit dejected because of that, and so I have been doing other crafts. I've been doing other projects, and one of the ladies at the knit group said, because the ranunculus is making me so upset, to put it aside and start working on my storm sweater. I have beautiful yarn for that as well, but for some reason I'm so intimidated by that pattern because of all the charts, and I don't know, but one of the ladies at my knit group has promised to help me. I have that. I have not done much on this. So in this project bag, which is a beautiful bag that was made by Fantail Knits, if I'm correct, and actually Deb from Outlaw Yarn gifted it to me when I was working there, and I love this bag. It's beautiful, and I have all these beautiful pins on it. This was made by a friend in Philippines who's been a long time friend, and then tea held all of these beautiful pins on my bag. And I haven't done much at all on this. I think I showed you previously, and this is all I have done. I have not done anything else, but I might start working on this and leave the ranunculus for a while. It's quite frustrating when things don't go the way you think it would go, but I think it's part of the learning. Making, I think, in my mind has a few ups and then a few downs, and the ups make up for the downs. But right now I have so many things that go down. So anyway, oh, I did have a finished object. I have to show you that. So I've been working on this little dishcloth, which is a beautiful little pattern. I am not sure if you can see it. I will put a b-roll of this. Unfortunately, I don't know why I did it on a white. It's already soiled at the bottom here, so it may get very dirty very soon. But I picked up a few of these beautiful Katona cotton balls with the aim that I wanted to make dishcloth out of them. But seeing how long this took, I'm not sure I want to start anything on this. Maybe crochet would be good, but I don't know. I don't want to crochet. I want to knit. So that was my finished object, and I do have some more. Oh, I have another one as well. This is so pretty. I love all these colors so much. I don't know what I want to make with these, but they are so pretty. This is from my stash, but seeing like that, it's so pretty. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. And then what else? So that was one project. I have a sock pattern somewhere here. Oh yes, here it is. And I'm making the Soroto socks on magic loop. This is my first project on a magic loop. While I do love how the pattern works, it's a beautiful pattern and the yarn and everything is perfect. I prefer the DPNs, but it's coming out well. I'm just doing the gusset now for this sock. That's what is happening here. Oh, I have another one as well. I have another finished project. Let me just get it for you. The reason I didn't have it on my finished pile is because I'm planning to do some more work at the back of this thing. I finished my Highland Cow pouch and it's so beautiful. Love it. I love how adorable it looks. Yeah, it's so pretty. And I want to line the backing and make it into a notions pouch. That is another finished one. That's pretty much what I've been doing. And I also received a craft journal. It was a gifted one for me. I will have to do a page and I will show you how it looks. As what's happening here. I have not done much to talk about. So the Wednesday Knit group has picked up, and there were a few ladies. I think there were 4 ladies. Yeah, 4 ladies other than me. So a total of 5. They were lovely, and it happens one of them is my neighbor's mom. It's such a small world. So yeah, it was really good. Right now my mind is full of how do I want to have my craft room, and if you see, there's a bit of a mess around with Casper just playing with all the paper that I discard. He enjoys tearing them up, and so that's what is happening. And yes, and after I finished my hexagon blanket, I am thinking of starting the mitered square blanket, which I think is going to be another long time process, but we will see. Yeah, that's pretty much what I have for you today. I'll catch you next week. Until then, take good care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.